Annyeong, it's Mikey here. Today I'm going to be doing a switch comparison between the popular Gateron switches. The Milky Yellow, the Oil Kings, the Ink Black version 2, the Blue Bubblegum, and the new Gateron Smoothies. So we're going to go through all of them. I'm going to give you guys a whole sound test on each one. Stock versus lubed, hand lubed of course, and then I'm going to give you guys what I thought. So I hope you guys will subscribe. Comment below what switch is your favorite, and yeah, like this video. Hope you guys will keep supporting this channel. As you guys see, more than 90% is not subscribed. I'd really appreciate if you guys helped out and helped me build this channel. So I hope you guys enjoy. So from left to right, I'm going to be doing comparison from the cheapest to the most expensive switches. So the Gateron Milky Yellows, the Pro Yellow, the Gateron Smoothies, the Ink Black V2, the Oil Kings, and the Blue Bubblegum. So the first thing that we're going to do this comparison is just check on the stem wobble, the smoothness, and check on the backlighting. You'll see which ones have good backlighting. So starting off with the stem wobble of the Milky Pro Yellows, you'll see that there is some horizontal wobble and a bit of vertical wobble. Not too bad actually. If you go on to the Gateron Smoothies now, you'll see that there's less horizontal wobble, but there's still some vertical wobble. The Ink Black V2 though has some horizontal wobble and vertical wobble as well. The Oil Kings as well actually do have horizontal and vertical wobble like the Milky Pro. And the Blue Bubblegums, not too bad. There is still some, but you really can't tell when you're typing. So in terms of the cost, I've put everything in order of cost because each one costs a bit different. The Milky Yellows is definitely going to be the cheapest out of the bunch. The Blue Bubblegum was the most expensive for me specifically. Again, I'm from Canada. It's very expensive to get it because I had to import it from Germany. But I think it was worth it. Now in terms of the smoothness from the Milky Yellow all the way to the Blue Bubblegums, I feel that the Milky Yellows are very smooth for the price. The Gateron Smoothies is of course the smoothest out of all of them, and the Blue Bubblegum is just a good mix in between and just gives you a good sound too. It is the most expensive of course, but let's see a side by side comparison of the sound. This is the Gateron Milky Smoothie, Ink Black, Oil King, and the Blue Bubblegum. So in terms of the backlighting, Smoothies gives you the best, Milky Yellow second, Ink Black okay, the rest not so great. So what do you guys think? Let me know down below in the comments. What was your favorite one? Which one do you think sounded the best? I did it all on my Zoom 75 keyboard. As you can see, I lined it all up. Just to try to show you guys all the backlighting, which has the best backlighting, and the stem wobble and the sounds. For me, my favorite is the Blue Bubblegum, the Gateron Smoothies, and I actually think these Milky Yellows are pretty good too. But if I had to choose my favorite, it's gonna be the Blue Bubblegum. It kind of hits the spot for me where it sounds a bit deeper, still smooth. Honestly, the Smoothies are much smoother at a much cheaper price. It's just the sound profile is a little bit higher and it's louder. So the sound is actually quite loud, unfortunately. I wouldn't be able to actually use this in a workplace for sure because it just gets too loud and it's a little bit high pitched. I might try to figure out a way to make these sound better, and honestly these lightings is not the best. If you do like backlighting, I personally like to turn it off. But yeah, just let me know down below, like what was your thoughts? And let me know, what kind of switches would you guys like to hear? Any comparisons, let me know down in the comments. I'll make it happen. I have tons of switches and I keep ordering more. So let me know what you want to hear. Let me know of any new switches you'd like to see and I'll make it happen. So please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and keep coming back for more. I'd love to see you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time.